Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at a Steam Deck. So this is a pretty different video than my usual ones. Ordered me a Steam Deck I think a year ago, and I finally got it today. It's a 256 gig model. So this is what I got in the box. I got this case, I'm assuming it has a Steam Deck, and of course this other box that has, as we see there, our power adapter. So I guess we'll take a look at the power adapter later. So this is what the Steam Deck comes in the box. I'm assuming it's in its carrying case, so we will take it out of that. And then the case is in this, little informational card. Your games are going places, Steam Deck, and then it just has video game machine and case. You have your serial numbers. You can always rip it there. 256 gigs, as you see there. There's my serial number and all that stuff. Recyclable, which is cool. But you're not here to see that. You're here to see this, which is the case. And if we open it up, which Valve has graciously locked it, so you do have a little lock. I want to see if there's a way. I guess we gotta cut that. So if we cut this, whoops, boop, now we should be able to open it. And there we have it. Front and center is our Steam Deck. There's already dust on it, as you guys can see there. This is our console. Case is cool, feels nice, very sturdy. Reminds me of when I actually got, so you would open it this way. Oop. Reminds me of when I got my original Nintendo DS. It came in one of these, and this is our Steam Deck. So it's definitely big. It feels nice, feels sturdier than a Nintendo Switch. I have the original OLED, and this is how it looks. So you got your two pads here, two thumbsticks, A, B, X, Y. I'm assuming your menu and your switch, Windows, D-pad, Steam button. You got your bumpers in the back, which will probably take a little bit of getting used to, but it's all good. Up top, we got our volume rocker, down, up, 3.5mm, USB-C, which is probably for charging, and your power button. Then you have your L2, L1, R1, R2. We'll just power this guy on, if there's any juice in it. Doesn't look like there is, so that's where this other guy will come in handy. So let's see what kind of USB-C charger we get. Cut that open, and in the box we literally just have a USB-C charger and a guide. It is a 5-volt 3-amp charger. See the details about it. So there we go. 5-volt 3-amp, 15-volt 3-amp. There's all your information. One end is that, other end is your standard USB-C. There's nothing too crazy about it. And let's just plug it in and get some juice going. Plug it in there, hanging from the rafters. Plug it in there. So I did get a screen protector from Amazon. It hasn't arrived as I am shooting this video, so I cannot show you what it is, but it was one of the higher rated ones, and it only cost me about like $7 for it. So I will be installing that on this, just to keep it safe. This is the initial boot, not doing anything to it. We're just gonna go through the setup and see what it looks like at the home screen, but definitely feels chunky. Ooh, and there is some haptic feedback when you press on these, which is cool. I didn't know that. Yeah, it's definitely a chunky boy. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's definitely an audible fan. So we are Eastern. I'm gonna just connect to my Wi-Fi quickly. Alrighty, so we finally got through the initial setup screens and all of that. There's definitely going to be a bunch of updates. You need to sign into your Steam account, which is why I don't have it set up now, but there is the option for the desktop as you see here, and then you can just return to gaming mode, which is, you know, going to take you back to the other version, which is like the part where you have to sign in. But yeah, you know, like I said, I'm not going to go super in-depth into anything. I'm just an average gamer like the rest of you guys. I just thought it'd be interesting to show like the Steam Deck, what it looks like, the setup and all of that, which we're gonna skip through. As you can see, there's going to be a bunch of updates just because that's what it is, but it feels good, it looks good. My main thing with this Steam Deck is, since I didn't get the 512 version and I got the 256, I'm probably going to play around with it for a bit, and as it gets full, what I want to do is probably open it up, swap out that 256 with a 1 terabyte. I do know it's possible, and I probably will do that. That should be fun. But yeah, that's kind of it with this video. If you guys want to see anything interesting, have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it down below. I'll try to answer it. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll get back to the normal scheduled repairing and trying to fix stuff in the next video. And yeah, see you guys next time. See ya. I can't fall to sleep, my mind just keeps